Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to unpack the Advent Calendar from Ciate London. For me, the Advent Calendar is the best way to get familiar with the brand and to try new nail polishes. All nail polishes are 5 ml. It's a small bottle, but I think it's enough to try the color and the formula. So let's begin. Number 1 is a gorgeous orangey red color. Number 2 is a lavender shade. Number 3 is a beautiful shimmery pinky gold color. Number 4 is an elegant nude shade. Number 5 is Bordeaux color. Number 6 is a base coat. Number 7 is a perfect minty shade. Number 8 is a top coat. Number 9 is a beautiful pink color. Number 10 is yellow nail polish, perfect for summer. Number 11 is a pinky nude shade. Number 12 is a gorgeous green nail polish. Number 13 is a juicy magenta color. Number 14 is an elegant dark gray shade. Number 15 is a shimmery gold nail polish. Number 16 is a candy pink color. Number 17 is Dusty Rose nail polish. Number 18 is a light gray shade. Number 19 is a beautiful light blue color. Number 20 is one more light nude pink shade. Number 21 is a face primer. Number 22 is a shimmery violet color. Number 23 is a fuchsia nail polish. Number 24 is a gorgeous multicolor glitter. In my upcoming video, I will try these shades, so stay tuned for new videos. And this is it for the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. I upload video every week. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!